locking all the doors and windows right now.
Oh, what?
It was Detective Burkhardt, the man who kidnapped August, broke out.
Oh my god. Oh my god, no.